Alright, we are here attempting a repair test on this wind damaged shingle. You can see it is got a crease on it. It's not sealed. It is wind damage. So we're going to go ahead and take this whole tab off, and by doing so I'm going to manipulate these two up here. So we're going to get started using a flat bar for the shingles, using a sideways motion. Alright, so now I'm going to take the nails out. Alright, so we got the shingle out. Put my pry bar away. Alright, so now we're going to install a 3-tab with a snake bar so we don't lift it all the way. So this is not fitting in there at all. This is not a fit whatsoever. So we have a major problem right there. I'm thinking this is an old 3-tab shingle that is discontinued. A ver esa. I believe it is, so we're gonna leave this here so you guys can pick it up. But as you see, I can't do a repair test. There's not even a 3-tab in the market that will be this dimension. So this roof is discontinued, but just for the sake of it, before I even put any nails, I can already see some creases. It's definitely going to be a failed attempt to repair, because as you see, I cannot leave the shingle like this. It's got, I mean, at least 2 or 3 inches on each side, and this is a standard 3-tab shingle right here that's currently in the market. So that's it.